Let her rip. Oh. No, it's the piston isn't attached to the crank anymore. He threw a rod in his gas-powered lawnmower. Don't know how it happened. I think he said his wife was mowing the lawn when the incident occurred. 1, 2, 3, and open!
Whoa!
Hey, somebody grab this cardboard box.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. Hand me one of those things. Does a real man need directions to assemble a lawnmower?
No.
That's right. No. Looks a little tiny. I think the 18-incher would be definitely too small for my yard. So I just took it for a spin out in my yard, and it cut grass. It is a much different feeling if you're used to a regular lawnmower. What it feels like is I'm pushing a kid's toy around the backyard because this is all plastic. I don't even know if there's any metal on this thing. So this is all plastic. This is plastic. This is plastic. Everything is plastic except for the blade. There's a motor and a plastic housing.
So this cuts grass and it goes flying up into there?
Yep, this is the blade right here. It's not very sharp. We could tune that up a little bit. The future is here. Have they come for yours? They've come for all commercial use of gas-powered lawn equipment where I live. You're next. The next phase is they go directly after homeowner use. You will no longer be able to purchase a gas-powered lawnmower. You will have to illegally import it into your state. That's the future we're looking at. That's why I'm interested in these electric lawnmowers. There are a lot on the market. I don't have too much experience with them, except for Wild Badger Power lawnmower. This is their 40-volt, battery-operated, 18-inch wide lawnmower. Now, as I said earlier in the video, this will probably work for more people than it won't. I am in the minority where I have over 1/3 of an acre to mow every week. Most new homes, not even new homes, most production neighborhood homes built since 1992 have very small yards. That's part of the city planning. This has a 40-volt battery, pops in real easy. It does have a safety switch on the side that you push in before you squeeze the lever, and that activates the motor. That's it. It's just a giant plastic shroud with a motor and a blade. Now, this is a worst case scenario in a modern neighborhood. The owner, which is my neighbor, has let his lawn go a little bit out of control. Mostly what I'm mowing here is weeds. And if you know weeds, they're tougher to mow and they're put more of a load on your mower than just nice grass. I wanted to run this mower through as many conditions as I could in one setting. That's why we're using his lawn. I was surprised. It didn't lug. There's no way to bog this down. That's probably because the motor is sized appropriately for the blade. Right here is some thick weeds that and you can see there's like a gazillion baby grasshoppers that I was mowing through at the time too. Lots of weeds. It's not slowing down at all. Here's another thick patch of a mixture of grass and weeds. I am a collector of grass clippings. I do not suggest you mulch. I always bag my lawn clippings. But this does have a mulching option. You just pop this little piece of plastic in and you're off and mulching. So here is another segment of my neighbor's yard that is mostly grass and not weeds, and it's set up in the mulch function. And this went through it like nothing. Again, quite surprising. I wasn't expecting it. It's kind of like a new electric car. No one really expects them to be the fastest cars on the road or the most powerful cars on the road. They look like a Ford Escort. But they just go. It doesn't quite make sense, but they just work. As you can see, there is one piece of metal, and that is the bar that connects the rear wheels with the front wheels. And you can raise and lower your cutting depth quite easily. This thing is almost weightless compared to a regular gas-powered lawnmower. It's so easy to move around. It's so easy to adjust the height. The handle easily folds, and because it's electric, you can put this in any orientation. You don't have to worry about gas leaking out the carburetor. You don't have to worry about oil leaking up on top of the piston. Have they come for your lawnmower yet? Put down in the comments if you live in one of those states or cities that have outlawed gas lawnmowers, but they encourage massive encampments where there is no outdoor plumbing. If you know, you know. There will be a link in the description to, I believe, the Amazon. I'll see if I can come up with a discount code for you to give you a break on the price. I believe it's about 250 bucks. The future of my lawn mowing is I would like a fleet, a convoy of robot lawnmowers. I would need probably 3 of them, 1 for the front half and 2 for the back half, just all set up and going. I spend at least an hour just mowing, and then I got to go do all the trimming. If I could cut that down to 15 minutes of weed whacking, that'd be pretty nice. Do any of you guys have robot lawnmowers? I'm looking to try out robot lawnmowers. You see what I'm doing there? If you know, you know. Make sure you check out Patreon. I've got a large video uploaded on my Patreon about the tub refinishing, my experience with tub refinishing, the business of tub refinishing. I'll put that link just underneath the Wild Badger Power electric lawnmower. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.